Good day everyone. I'm going to teach you how to download a VLC Media Player. First of all, you need to sign in with your Facebook or with Google. I'm going to type it with my Facebook. After sign in, this will pop up if you have a IPL, and if you don't have, it will download through your browser. Let's start download. While we're waiting this to complete, I'm just going to teach you how to download this VLC in this video. And then my next tutorial, I will teach you how to install it on your PC. Now the download is done. Thank you for watching. I'm Jasper Nazareno. Thank you. See you next time.